In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a smooth bouncing text animation in Adobe Premiere Pro. By the end, you'll know how to add text, apply the transform effect, set a few precise keyframes, and fine-tune the timing so the bounce feels clean and professional. Start by opening Premiere Pro and creating your text. Head to the graphics menu, choose New Layer, then select Text. Click in the program monitor and type your title or phrase. Style it however you like. Pick a font and color that fits your project. When you're done, make sure the text layer is selected in the timeline so everything we add applies to this clip. Next, open the Effects panel by going to Window and choosing Effects. In the search bar, type Transform. Drag the transform effect directly onto your text layer in the timeline. This gives you dedicated controls for scale animation without affecting your entire clip's motion settings. Now open the Effect Controls panel to see the transform effect you just added. Find the scale property within Transform and toggle the stopwatch to enable animation. This drops your first keyframe at the current playhead position and tells Premiere to start recording changes over time. With the playhead at the start, set that first scale value to a smaller size, around 80% works well, so the text begins slightly shrunken. Move the playhead forward a few frames, just a tiny nudge, and set a second keyframe at a larger size, like 120%. This creates the overshoot that sells the bounce. Move forward again another few frames and set a third keyframe at 100% to bring the text back to its normal size. To make the movement feel polished, right-click your keyframes and choose Ease In and Ease Out. Smoothing the acceleration and deceleration removes any robotic stiffness and helps the bounce settle naturally. From here, adjust the timing between keyframes to control the character of the bounce. Closer keyframes create a quick, snappy pop. Spacing them farther apart slows the bounce and feels more cushioned. Small changes make a big difference, so nudge a frame or two at a time and watch how it affects the rhythm. Preview your animation by playing it back and fine-tune until it looks natural. If it feels too dramatic, reduce the 120% overshoot. If it feels too subtle, increase it slightly or tighten the spacing. Keep iterating until the bounce matches your style.